Hello everyone. This video will teach you how to test the disk image speed of each head. Okay, now we can see this is the latest software of the DFL all-in-one data recovery software. And we can see this is a date. It's the latest software of this month, February 25, in the new year 2025. Now let's open the control panel. And this is the DFL control panel. Now let's start the control panel and we can connect one Seagate Rosewood hard drive to test the head disk image speed. And I have connected one pension drive to the SATA 0, and we can open the DFL DDP data recovery software to find out the detailed steps to test the working speed of each head. And this can also help us to find out the quality and the performance of each head. Now power on the pension drive, and we can also enable the COM port, and we can see this is a COM terminal. And let's set up one new project. Disk image. We have connected one target drive to the SATA 1. Click OK. Now the software has set up the new project for this disk image. Now we can test the disk image speed with this feature, green resource mode ticked. Okay, it's ticked in default mode. So let's see the disk image speed. We can click start. Before doing this one, we can set up the head map. Okay, so we set up head map for this pension drive because later we need to test the health status, test the health image speed of different head. So we need to set up the head map. This one is important. Now we can say the head map has already been set up. We can see there are 4 heads. This is the bottom head, and from bottom to top, head 0, head 1, 2, and head 3. Head 3 is a top head. Okay. Now let's start disk image to see the disk image speed is 63, 64 megabytes per second. Okay. Now we can see there is one feature. This one is ticked. Now let's untick this one. And for many new users, and they just simply start disk image, but didn't untick this green resource mode. So the speed becomes slow like this one, But after users untick the green untick, okay, untick this one, the green resource mode, we can now find out the disk image speed has been increasing a lot, almost twice, okay, double the speed with the green resource mode ticked. So we can see the disk image speed has been increased a lot. It's something like twice, double the speed before. Okay, now let's test the disk image speed of each head. We can untick head 1, head 2, and head 3, and keep the head 0 only. Now this means we are imaging the head 0 only. Now let's check. This is the current disk image speed of the head 0. That means the head 0 has a good status, health status. It is running very smoothly. Now we can see this is a 9 to show the health status of the head 0. Okay, now let's test the head 1 disk image speed. Click head map. Okay, tick head 1, but untick head 0. Now we only tick head 1. This means we are now imaging head 1 only. And let's check the disk image speed now. We can see here the current LBA. So all the current LBA belongs to the head 1. And we can also find out the head 1 is also working smoothly. We can check this one, and from this 9, it's very smooth. So head 1 is also okay and imaging at a good speed. Let's say if we try to change something here, for example, we can change the block size to a bigger one and see if the imaging speed improves a lot. Click OK. Now let's check the imaging speed. The current imaging speed of the head 1. We can see the current LBA is head 1. Okay, now the imaging speed is increasing. Let's see if it will be higher than this one. Okay, it is higher now. It is still at an increasing status. So after we change the block size, the disk image speed keeps increasing. Okay, so we can see it's 1, 2, 8, still increasing. So this is disk image speed of the head 1. Now let's check the head 2. Okay, let's tick head 2 and untick head 1. So that means within the head map, we have only head 2 remained. And the current LBA, we can see all the current LBA belongs to head 2. So the current working speed is for the head 2 disk image speed. So we can see the current status. And also, let's check the top head. The top head is head 3. We can tick head 3 and then untick the head 2. Then within the head map we can see only head 3 is selected, and other 3 heads are not ticked. So we can see the current disk image speed is for the head 3. This is top head disk image speed. And current LBA we can see here, all the current LBAs belongs to head 3. Now we can see the current disk image speed. So from these lines and the current disk image speed, we can find out the 3 heads are in good status. Sometimes if 1 or 2 heads are weak or damaged, we will say the working speed, the disk image speed will drop a lot or will stop. And users may find some red blocks here or even black blocks within the bitmap. That means the heads are weak or damaged, or some physical bad sectors appear in the LBA marked as red or black. Okay, so this is the step to show how we test the disk image speed of different head and how to improve the image speed, and also how to find out the health status of different heads. So this one is very helpful, and users can follow this video to keep your disk image more successful and more efficient. Thank you for watching the video.